I spent most of the summer working on projects outdoors, and my indoors are starting to show that, especially my kitchen. It's looking rather unstyled, and I can't have that, right? So I've come up with a couple of projects for simple, neutral kitchen decor. And the first one involves drawing, which I'm actually really bad at. Seriously, I would never display anything that I drew. I'm terrible at drawing, but I'm gonna make my Cricut do the drawing for me. For this project, you'll need a Cricut, obviously, a Cricut marker, nice cardstock, a picture frame, and you'll need to upload an image you want sketched or pick one out from the Cricut design space. I'm going to be using this watercolor paper because I like the texture. But first, I need to cut it down to size to fit the frames. Now that the paper's ready, we can set up the Cricut. The Cricut marker will go into your A holder. So open up the A holder, open up your pen, there's a little arrow, drop it in, and then there's a bit of resistance, but you click it in, close, and we're ready to draw. Well, the Cricut's ready to draw for us. This is the image that I can't draw, but I'm going to ask Cricut to draw for me. Now the only thing you need to change to make your Cricut draw instead of cut is right up here. You switch basic cut over to pen. That's it, and then make it. The Cricut only does the outline of the image, so I get to do the shading. So I'm just gonna color in wherever I know it's supposed to be colored in. And if you had some actual skills for drawing, you could do shading and stuff like that. I don't have any of that skill. So I could use the Cricut marker and color in, but I find this gel pen just flows a little nicer, so that's what I'm going to use. And I guess if you happen to have a child around that was really good at coloring, this would be a great coloring project. I just have me, so I get to color. I just happen to have a few of these Dollar Tree frames in my craft stash, and they are the right color, like the frame is the right color, but I think this white matte will just clash or just get lost with the white cardstock, so I'm going to give it a quick refresh with some craft paint in black. I'm all done with my coloring and the frame is dry, so I can put it all together. Oh, it does look hand-drawn. I love that. Oh my gosh. Because I did the coloring, can I say like, I drew this? Is that acceptable? Like, can I say this is my original artwork? I'm a little on the frame. I don't know if I love the frame, but I'll style it and decide, because I can always get another frame. But the artwork, I love it. It's the next day. And there have been a few changes, just a few. Yesterday, I went to the kitchen to style the art I made, and I hated it, like a lot. It looks so blah, just all of it. The frame, the art, all of it. It was just, I just hated it. So this morning I went out to HomeSense and I picked up a couple of these frames. And then I reprinted the art several times. But I think I finally got it the way I want it, and I just need to put it together and fingers crossed, maybe I'll love it. Okay, just as long as I don't hate it as bad as I hated the other one. So let's take this apart and then put it back together. It's done, and I think it looks great. But I did say that yesterday too. So the real test will be styling to see if I still like it when it's downstairs being styled. Do you notice that right here? I signed it like it's, I don't know, an original artwork. I mean, I originally colored it in, but that's valid, right? But haha, my signature. I now can really say I love, love, love how that art turned out. It's simple, neutral, and classy. Exactly what I was going for. Now, this guy was a good start. Even though now it kind of looks hideous, it was a good way for me to work out my design vision. So if you can't draw, and it takes you several attempts to figure out your design, welcome to the club. I guess design is like life. It takes failure and success, whatever. In next week's video though, I'm going to be styling the kitchen island. Well, I'm going to be trying to. I wonder how many attempts that's going to take me. So if you want to see that video, remember to come back next Friday. And if you need a reminder, hit that subscribe button and ring the little notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another project. I spent most of the summer working on yeah. If you could see how disastrous this room is, there's like stuff everywhere. I just keep piling it. It's just, ooh, behind the camera, scary. Ooh. Anyways, this is like my 18th take, so let's just get it done. I have lunch to get to. Okay. No, I didn't like that.